Well, good morning everyone, and look at this for a day at the end of September. I'm going to meet up with John today and we're going to have a ride and see whether this arm of mine, this shoulder, will do more than an hour each way. Only one way we're going to find out. It is 5 to 9. I've got to meet him at 8:30 in Blandford. We're going to have to get a hoochie on. Yeah, it's always a way, isn't it? You come out your garage, just getting ready on the bike, and one neighbour comes over and talks. And then while you're talking to him, another one turns up and starts talking to you. Still, nice to be neighbourly. I want to say thank you to some of the subs. I've went on put out and asked for some stickers. I've had a few sent to me already, so that's brilliant. And Maylee and Henry over in Belgium, if you're not subscribed to them or never seen their channel, they're called Old Boots on Tour. Go and check it out. It's I think it's brilliant. They do some superb tours. I mean, the scenery is fantastic, and the one they're just publishing now, the roads, absolutely incredible. They started off on CB500Xs and went everywhere on them. Absolutely brilliant little things. They've upgraded those now to Honda Transalps 750s. Seem to be enjoying them. So yeah, if you haven't seen their channel, go and have a look. Old Boots on Tour. I'll stick a link down in the description somewhere if I remember. But Old Boots on Tour. Still getting used to the GS. It's lovely to be back on a bike with a boxer engine. Say the grunt in every gear is well, ridiculous. I can't imagine what the 1250s are like, or even that 1300. But for me, this bike will surpass my capabilities by a mile. So we'll stick with this one. It's gorgeous today. Surprised they're not jumping up and down in there saying, hey, you can't sit on the bike but you're filling it. I know. One thing I've noticed, it's got self-cancelling indicators.